Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Today I'm back with yet another winter Pinterest outfits recreated video. I have been living for these videos. I love to watch them, I love to film them, I love everything about them. So I have gathered another 4 outfits that I want to recreate with things that are already in my wardrobe. Two of them are like truly outside of my comfort zone. But we're gonna figure it out. I had all the things, I just have never put them together. So we're gonna see how I flop or succeed. I don't know, we will try. But I love making these videos. I think they're super fun. I highly encourage you to find Pinterest looks that you like, figure out what is in your wardrobe that's similar to it. Does not have to be exact, but it's fun to kind of get some inspiration from things you already have in your wardrobe instead of always wanting to buy new clothes. So that has been a goal of mine recently, and I've had so much fun doing it, and you guys have had so much fun watching them. I think you've been watching them, so I'm sure you are. So today I have 4 new ones, so let's go ahead and jump on into outfit number 1, which is super cute. I have a jacket, I have this identical outfit. I just love how everything's plain black, cute. I literally have everything in this, but I've never worn this outfit together, which is the beauty of all of this. It's like, just because you've had chicken and broccoli, have you ever mixed them together and made something completely different? That's what this is all about, finding inspiration from pictures from other fashion girlies who show you that you can pair different things together. So I love this outfit. Super casual, super plain, would be great for literally anything, walking around all day, a quick trip to the grocery store, whatever it is. It's super cute, super put together, and it's a very monochromatic look. So let's go ahead and recreate outfit number 1. She's wearing all black, monochromatic, love it. So let's start with the black jeans and let's trade into a turtleneck. I don't know what she's wearing on top, but I feel like a turtleneck will be cute with this style of jacket since the jacket is collarless. So let's go ahead and put on our base, and then we'll accessorize to complete the look. I had stitched these jeans to be a little bit more cropped for a Pinterest video. I think one of the first ones that I ever did, and I have yet to uncrop them. I just continue to wear them cropped. So anyway, these are those jeans. These are the Abercrombie 90s high-rise whatever, and I just stitched them with my little stitch gun. Shout out to that guy. I don't know what she's wearing actually because her coat is zipped up, but again, I just think this is cute. Now I have actually black pants, but I feel like hers are kind of a dark gray. These literally were labeled as black. 0% chance that this is black. Now I think they list it as a washed black, but nonetheless I still think they're cute. So now let's put on boots. Chelsea boots. These are pretty much the only boots that I regularly wear, you guys. I wore my knee-high boots out for Neilani's birthday. We were out on the city for 12 hours. I couldn't walk for the next 2 days. The pads of my feet, the balls of your feet, hurt so freaking bad. I was in pain, serious pain. So that's why I don't wear heels, because who can do that? Probably it just was me because I never wear them, so it just hurt really bad. Okay, so this is the base. Again, she puts up the pants, and I kind of like that because you see a little bit more of the boot itself. So there's that. Next is this coat. I got this coat from H&M, and I'm so happy that I got it. I just find so many uses for this. It's slightly oversized. I want to say this is an extra small. So cute. Love it. Love this look already. Just love it. So yeah, this jacket, they sell these sort of jackets everywhere. You can get them at any price point. They have so many options. And then homegirl is wearing a really cute dark gray hat. I don't have a dark gray hat, but I have a lighter gray little beanie. So let's pop this on and hope it doesn't rub the makeup off my forehead pimple. I don't know. Sometimes I think beanies look a little wacky on me. I don't know. I wish that it was darker. I'm not gonna lie. I feel like it would work with the outfit better. And then she's wearing a little crossbody black bog. What do we think? I actually really think this outfit's cute. It's very basic, very simple, but paired all together, it's a good standard staple winter outfit. I think pairing these outfits together may seem duh, there's nothing revolutionary about it. But what makes it so good is that it's just like, I don't know, having these pictures in your Pinterest file where you're like, okay, I have to go out, but I don't want to just wear my standard jeans and a t-shirt, jeans and a sweater, jeans and a hoodie. Like, having this, it's no more effort. Literally no more effort. Like, she did all the effort. And it's a hit. So what do we think? She does this super cute, just like my very standard. What do we think? Did I nail it? I think this is so cute. It's so basic, but I'm obsessed. So, nailed look number 1. Let's move to 2. Okay, outfit number 2 is like really out there for me, you guys. Very out there. But to be honest, I have everything it takes to make it happen. So I'm like, oh, this is I'm either gonna love it or absolutely hate it. This is so 90s. She looks so cute and effortless. Like, when I see somebody dressed like this, I'm like, she's effortless. She's just so cool. She's comfy. She put all this on, just like threw it on, and it all worked for her. I don't think it's going to do that for me, but we're gonna try. This is the outfit I am concerned I won't be able to succeed at, but also the most excited about because it looks just cool. So let's go ahead. Let's see what I can do with outfit number 2. Put this together. We're going like a medium light wash jean with a cable knit sweater. Cable knit. Why can I not say cable knit recently? It's been a thing. Cream cable knit sweater, and then we'll accessorize. Okay, so like I said, I own every like component. I'm just kicking stuff over into my pile of this outfit, but I would never in a million years put it together. So that's what's scary. Okay, so she has, oh my god, I am like just giving 90s. Okay, buried in my pile. I don't own suede boots besides these cowboy boots, and cowboy boots are in this, like, I don't know if that's just dirt or someone's puke. I don't know. Okay, she's got, I cannot take myself seriously with this outfit. She's got it kind of tucked in, and then she has a belt, and I don't really have like a hangy belt like hers. I don't even know. This is from when I worked at Abercrombie. Like, it's still stayed with rinse jeans. If you ever worked at Abercrombie, you know that like back in the day, like way back in the day, they made you wear rinse jeans and rinse jeans only, which were like those god-awful blue that you like couldn't wash or else they like faded so quickly. Anyway, they have that on there. So that's how long I've had this belt for. But I think also pants were not that high-waisted back then because I have so much room in this belt. So I'm gonna do like the thing that she kind of does, even though my belt doesn't have a lot of slack. She has like this belt that's kind of twisted like such. We're making it. We're attempting. It's fine. Do you ever remember when you'd wear the belt buckle here? Did anyone else do that? I did. Okay. I'm not trusting this process. Okay, so we've got 2 different denims. I just don't know which denim to go for. She's wearing more of a light wash denim, but I think I want to go dark. Oh my god, I feel like I belong. Did y'all ever watch the show Reba? I feel like I'm Reba right now. Oh, I used to love that show. I can probably tell you that I've watched every episode 100 times. Not even kidding. Okay, so she has like a long black coat. And I would wear just a plain one, but I don't think it'll fit my sleeves in it. So I think I'm gonna wear my little boohoo one, even though I would rather not wear something like this collary, if that makes sense. But it doesn't really matter for the look. I think I was right on this one. I don't think this looks good at all. At all. It is hecka layered. She just looks so carefree. I look like, huh? What is wrong with you? It's gonna be a solid no for me. I keep looking in the mirror trying to find some like, I think it's the acid wash jeans that are really doing me dirty with these boots. No. No. Okay. This was just a little too outside of my comfort zone. This is her, me. I don't know. All right, outfit number 3. I'm always trying to find ways to like make trousers casual, and I think she did a super cute job with it. I don't have like a shorter cropped jacket. I mean, I kind of do. We're gonna play around with a couple different options. We're gonna play around with a blazer, the jacket from look number 1, and then a longer trench and see what I think. But she has a fun hat that matches the shoes, that matches the bag. They're all a little bit different, but I think so cute together. So let's go ahead and see how I do with look number 3. It's kind of different for me, just not different in the sense of like it's out there, but I just never wear my trousers. So I'm always trying to find outfits that really resonate with me and my fashion and pieces that I have in my wardrobe that I'm not pulling. So let's go ahead and do outfit 3. You know when you put something in the dryer, like with the hopes of like de-wrinkling it, and then you just take them out and they're even more wrinkly and you're like, wow, that was a solid waste of my time. Fun fact, whenever I do these videos, 9 times out of 10 I always put an outfit at the end that's like either comfy or I want to wear for the rest of the day so I don't have to get dressed again, because this is just like workout. Base layer on. So I pulled a blazer for this. God bless you, Miss Winnie. But I feel like the blazer is gonna look too dressy, whereas in reality we want to dress this outfit down. So I think I'm gonna go with the jacket in the first pick, or trench style one. So let's see. Base layer. Now, sneaks, she just like accessorizes with red, and all of my reds are like slightly different colors, so we're gonna see how this actually works. This one time Scott was having like a serious call. I think it was his last job, and it was back when we lived in Dallas, and he like worked in the dungeon cave that was our entryway because we had no space. And Winnie, like, he had accidentally left the blinds up, and Winnie had seen something out there and just barked like nonstop. And so he's on his call waiting for his turn to present and in front of like, I think it was 1,500 people or something, like virtually, but still. And so right before it was his turn, he like ran upstairs to go put Winnie on the first floor. He was on the bottom. He went up to the first floor to grab Winnie, then ran her upstairs to the second floor to like put her in the bedroom for his like call. And by the time he had gotten back, everybody was like, they were like, Scott? And he was like, and he like gave the whole presentation like slightly out of breath and like talking so fast because of his anxiety about it. And afterwards, everybody was like, were you okay? Was everything okay, sir? And he's like, yeah. And so everyone made fun of him about that for like a while. I'm sure so many people had those issues though, because it was like right in the peak of like the pandemic. So anyway, nonetheless, sneakers. These trousers are good. They're like the perfect amount of just like, I don't know, airy and flowy. Anyway, red hat, which I've yet to wear, is from Old Navy. I just recently got this. I think it's so cute. Now, let's play around with some coats. I'm thinking long coat. I like always want to wear this thing, but it is just covered in dog hair, and for some reason I can't get it out. If you have a good remedy for getting dog hair out of things, it's not a lint roller, because I hate lint rollers. Like, they work, but they don't. Let me know, because I need it. I need help. Okay, I think I'm going longer coat. But I could always go like this, too. Ooh, wait. Hold your phone. Yeah, I'm looking at you, girlfriend. Okay, yeah. Because I feel like this makes it look more casual. Ah! Why am I loving this with a beanie? It's everything. Okay, and then she has a little red bag. I don't know if I would pair it with this, honestly. I'd probably go black crossbody again, because mine's more of like a maroon than a red. I like this. Yep. Nailed it. I think it's really cute. I don't know what she's wearing because she's like backwards again with her coffee. Like this or something. I don't even know what she's doing. She's like off to the side. But I think it's a really cute outfit. And I like that it's very neutral, but then you've got the red and the red. Looks cute. I mean, you could even do you could just do one pop or the other. You don't have to necessarily do both, but I've been looking for an excuse to wear my red beanie, so when I saw it, I was like, yes, we are recreating you. So, what do we think? How do we do? I love it. All right, and then we're gonna end off the video with a bang. And by bag, I mean an outfit that I'm super comfortable with, that I absolutely love, that the minute I saw it, I was like, I want to wear that. Because that's, you know, the whole goal of this. But I find that I just needed a little nudge. So everything about her, so cute, so classic, so casual. But again, just very preach and very like polished. So this, I mean, no brainer. I have probably 5 things in my wardrobe that I could recreate to do different looks with this. I have 3 red sweaters, 5 striped shirts, and you get the picture. I'm gonna nail this one. Let's do it. I've been talking about this on my vlog channel, but my son has been like really not into brushing his teeth lately, and so we've been doing it for him forcefully. That's what you gotta do, right? And Scott was brushing his teeth, I think it was last night, and he was putting up a real fight, like crying a little. If you're a parent, you know, like drama tears, okay? And he was like, and it reminded me of, if you ever watched Mad TV, Lorraine, I think she goes to the dentist, and it is one of the funniest skits of my life. I was literally dying laughing, and I don't think he knew what I was laughing about, and I like meant to show him, but I completely forgot. So I feel like I'm now at the age where I have to even make a list of funny things I want to tell people, not even just like what groceries I need, you know? This is 34. Okay, she has like her hair in a really cute bun. She's also wearing some glasses. And her sweater is more oversized, and I wish mine was too, but it's just not. And then she is wearing little like high-heeled strappy sandals, but I was like, this outfit would be really cute with flats. So we're gonna sub it for some flats. And then a little striped sweater over the shoulders. Something about red and stripes, it just does it for me. Yeah, I just like wish this sweater was longer and more oversized, but it's fine. And this Everlane shirt is so cute because it has a little E. So cute. Okay. She has a black little bag, and she just has it like, she's just holding it as a clutch. I don't know if I would do that, TBH, but we're gonna do it for the sake. Because I want to look like her. Glasses are never not dirty. These are still giving Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory. Okay. So she's all like, I don't know why you would hold your bag like this, but like she's all like this. Or like this. I don't know, but it's cute. I think this is fun. But I would say, honestly, the first and the third, the second was just, but this is still probably like my most comfort. But this was outfit number 4. Alright, you guys, so that was it. Those are my 4 outfits that I got inspired to recreate from browsing on Pinterest. I feel like Pinterest, you either like use it for everything or you only use it for like certain things. And for me, recently it's been everything. I Google on that more than I Google on Google, which is kind of crazy. Whether it be like Christmas projects, whether it be like Christmas decor inspo, whether it's fashion, recipes. I do all my recipes pretty much on there. So yeah, I love you guys. Thank you all for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed and found this video helpful. Again, a lot of you have been throwing out some different looks that you're wanting to see. Overalls, I'm going to continue to incorporate those because I see you, girl. I see you commenting. It's just real hard to style overalls for the winter, but I'm going to get there, I promise. But anyways, let me know if there's any other looks, specifically, specific pants, specific whatever you need help or want me to kind of dig through Pinterest and put together an outfit. Let me know. I love you guys so much. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video very, very soon. Bye.